Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Drawing Room. Today we will learn about the topic design. This topic is there to test your balance, proportion and rhythmic skills. In this topic, you will be given an outer shape to construct like a circle, semicircle, polygons like octagon, hexagon, pentagon, etc. with measurements. Accordingly, you have to construct as it is instructed in the question paper. You have to draw that shape in the center of the page. Then you will be given a few elements to draw inside that shape. Those elements are called motifs. The motifs can be flowers, leaves, birds, rectangle, square, circles, rhythmic lines, straight lines or wavy lines or anything else. Remember, you have to draw the lines either curvy, rhythmic or straight, whatever is instructed in the last. First draw the remaining elements, then draw the lines the last. This will help you to balance your design. After you completed the drawing and coloring, you don't have to outline the design. You have to keep in mind, while drawing you have to draw overlapping objects like this. So while overlapping, this is the new shape formed. So this and this. These will have different colors. You don't have to color this circle separately and this leaf separately, but also this new shape form will also have a different color. This and this circle should not have same color, or this part and this part of the leaf should not have the same color. All these should have different colors. Then comes the mediums that you can use in coloring. You can use color pencils, watercolors, oil pastels, wax crayons or any of these above in combination. Suppose you can use watercolors and then color pencils on top of it to give textures. Or you can use oil pastels and watercolors along to give textures and color. Whatever you are comfortable with, you're good at, you have to choose that medium according to your ability. Distribution of time and how to attempt the paper. You will get 2.5 hours, which is 150 minutes in all. Out of that, you will have to give 10 minutes for rough sketching, 30 minutes for final sketching, 40 minutes for base coloring the shapes formed just with plain color or shade. Then you will take 60 minutes to give textures in the shapes formed. This will make your design more attractive. And finally, last 10 minutes you will have to keep the drawing for drying and see if anything is left, give the final touches. Last and most important point in design is color scheme. There are 8 color schemes: primary, secondary, tertiary, warm, cool, analogous, monochromatic and complementary color scheme. You have to choose any one or maximum 2 color schemes and paint your design in an attractive manner. I'll be showing you the 3 main categories of the color scheme: primary, secondary and tertiary now, and we will discuss about the remaining in the next video soon. The primary color scheme is made up of 3 basic colors: yellow, blue and red. You can achieve any color, any shade just by using these 3 primary colors. That is why they are called primary. The secondary colors consist of a mixture of 2 of these colors at a time. When we mix red and yellow, we get orange. When we mix yellow and blue together, we get green. And when we mix blue and red together, we get violet. Similarly, we get tertiary colors
by mixing any two of the secondary colors at a time. By mixing green and orange, we get olive. Olive is a shade of green. By mixing violet and green, we get slate color, which is a grayish color. And by mixing orange and violet, we get rosette color, which is a brown-like shade. This was all about for today's class. We will learn about the remaining color schemes in detail in the next video, where I will be demonstrating the mixing of colors using poster colors by Camlin. Thank you.